What is the most important question in philosophy, and why? The most important question is a matter of opinion, and it depends on what philosophical tradition we're talking about. But maybe a more appropriate question, then, is what is the central question in Western philosophy? But then, even the answer to that has evolved throughout history. At one period, it was, what is the nature of reality? At another, it was, what is knowledge? And at another, it was, what is God? Perhaps currently, the central question is, what is mind? Why? Well, the natures of reality, knowledge, and mind all relate to one another, such that understanding one helps us to understand the other two. And the history of Western philosophy is full of inquiry into reality and knowledge, so right now a relatively new approach is underway. What is the nature of mind? But notice something interesting here. All the questions in Western philosophy start with the words, what is? Now let's assume that we have answered all these questions to everyone's satisfaction. Well, there's still one question left. And that question is, why? Now at first it seems that this question could go on and on forever, being applied to anything, around and around in a huge circle. But remember, we're assuming that we already know the answers to all the big what's here. So ultimately, why can only refer to the existence of the entirety of relative reality. So it will have already been accepted that some one and only absolute is, regardless of the existence of relative reality, and that all we can know about the absolute is that it is, and that it is absolute, immutable, beyond time and space, and so forth. It is not a what, not describable in any relative terms. It could be said that to be pure isness, the pure isness upon which the existence of all relative reality depends. In a sense, we could say that the absolute creates all whatness. So the ultimate philosophical question is this: why does the absolute create? And the answer to that, we can never know.